Seville, July 1982. It was so hot, even the traffic lights were sweating. And there I was, in the middle of the World Cup, completely unaware I was about to witness a Greek tragedy in football kit, Germany versus France, the semi-final. No air-con. No VAR. No regard for the mental health of the fans. Just passion, warm beer, and a Dutch referee with questionable eyesight. This wasn't just a match. It was post-war group therapy with shin pads. France and Germany, two nations that had literally gone to war twice in 50 years, now squaring off in shorts. France had Michel Platini, a footballing artist. Germany had Harald Schumacher, a keeper who looked like he'd escaped from the Terminator, minus the empathy chip. And Paul Seville had to carry all that historical baggage, under 40 degrees Celsius heat and not a single shadow in sight. The Sanchez-Pizjuan turned into an oven. And not metaphorically, literally. Next to me, a German drank beer like it was holy water. A Frenchman fanned himself with a baguette. And me? I just wanted to survive the heat and see some decent football. Spoiler, what I got was much, much wilder. The match started out polite, like a blind date between two people secretly loathing each other. Germany played serious, France played pretty. 17th minute, Germany scores. Rummenigge grins. The French get twitchy. But nothing too crazy, yet. Half-time, 1-1. The tension was thick enough to butter. I asked for an ice cream, they gave me a hot chorizo sandwich. Classic Seville, always on hard mode. Extra time came in like a fever dream. France scored 2 screamers. 3-1. They were on fire. Then, out of nowhere, as if someone had handed the Germans a tray of Red Bull, they bounced back. In 15 minutes, 3-3. I realized this wasn't football anymore. It was a soap opera directed by Tarantino. But the most mental moment came earlier. Around the 60th minute, Battiston charges through on goal, and then, wham! Schumacher clattered into him like a freight train on discount day. Knocked him out cold, no teeth, borderline dead. And the ref? Nothing. Not a foul. Not even a whoops. Just a goal kick. It was the day football lost a tooth and a bit of its innocence. Fu el dia que el fútbol perdió un diente y parte de la inocencia. No one wanted penalties. But there we were, the first shootout in World Cup history. The French were shaking. The Germans didn't blink. Even the pitch looked nervous. Germany won it, 5-4. And France walked away with one of the most painful defeats in their footballing history, and that's saying something. Since that day, France and Germany haven't looked at each other the same. A proper rivalry was born, the kind that can't be drowned in wine or beer. Every time they meet, someone whispers, Seville 82. It's like a national trauma, an emotional scar with its own postcode.l. Today you can visit Sanchez-Pizjuan and stand where Battiston lost his teeth. Grab a pint nearby and you might find an old bloke muttering, "I saw the whole thing." Seville isn't just flamenco and the Giralda. It's where football became theatre. A bit savage, a bit poetic, and very much VAR free. "40 years on and people still talk about that match. Books, docs, even commemorative t-shirts." Schumacher apologized 3 years later. Battiston still has a fake tooth. But both admit, Seville changed their lives. As for me, I learned football isn't always fair, but it is unforgettable. Especially when you watch a keeper turn into a hitman and walk away smiling. So, if you ever visit Seville, don't skip Sanchez Pizjuan. It's not just a stadium. It's history, madness, drama, and maybe a baguette from 1982, still lingering in the dust. Some matches are won, others are lost, and a few get tattooed onto your soul.